Hello everyone, welcome to Web Solution. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change chat background on Mico. Make sure to watch the whole video to learn how. Let's begin. First, open Mico on your mobile device. Tap on Me at the bottom right of your screen. Tap on the settings icon at the top right of your screen. Select General. Tap on Chat Background. Now go ahead and select a background of your choice. Tap on Set. And that's it. This is how you change chat background on Mico. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then please click the thumbs up button. If you have any questions or thoughts, type them in the comments below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates. Click the bell icon too so you'll know when we post a new video. We'll be back with another video soon. Thanks for watching.